Hi everyone, in this video I would like to cover some important points that we have discussed in 11 Labs section. So if you go to voices here, if you click on voices, we have discussed about three voices. The first one is Mark voice, the second one is Adam voice, and then we have created a clone of my voice. So you can use any of these options. If you use Mark or Adam's voice, it is going to sound like Mark or Adam's AI voice. But if you want to make it sound like your voice, then you have to click on create or clone a voice, and then you have to go to instant voice clone, and then you have to upload some audio files or video files, or you can also just talk in front of your microphone, and then 11 Labs is going to take your voice and it is going to create a voice which sounds just like your voice, which is Naresh voice clone, or in case it could be your voice clone. So you can use any of these options for creating your AI videos. All you need to do is once the voice is created, you can download the files. Click on download, it is going to download the file, and you can use this particular voice for editing to export your video files. So before we finish it, I would like to discuss about another feature. I'm going to click on create or clone a video, clone a voice once again. There is an option called professional voice clone here. There is an option called professional voice clone here. For this, you have to subscribe for premium version, and the other thing is professional voice clone is mainly used if you are into if you are recording for movies or films, or you need some kind of studio kind of voice, then you can go for professional voice clone. What I would suggest is like, first go with instant voice clone and see how your voice sounds like. If you are not really happy with instant voice clone, then you have to go for the premium version, where you have to follow the same process like uploading your audio files or video files, and you have to record your voice in front of 11 labs, and then it is going to generate professional voice clone. This is mainly for films and big studios and Hollywood kind of scenes. You can use professional voice clone. So I just want to share this option as well, so that you will be ready for it if you are not really satisfied with instant voice clone or Mark or Adam's voice. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.